Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here, cos3x, that is about 4 cosine x to the power of 3 minus 3 cosine x. Now I will put this one goal here. Cosine x, we can do about factorization. Next, we have the second one. We have cosine x square, so I will put sine x square go to the right. So I will put this one go in here. So number 4 multiplied by number 1 sine x square. So 4 minus number 3, we have number 1. And now we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to sine x. Later that, we need to do first derivative for the both sides, and we have du equals to cosine x dx. So this one we change by u, and we have u square. This one we change by u, and we have u square. Cosine x dx we change by du. So u square multiplied by number 1 and 4u square. Next, we have the formula in here. The integration of u to the power of n du. We have u to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1, and I will put about c. And now we can apply the formula in here and here. So we have u to the power of 3 over 3, and the next one we have u to the power of 5 over 5, and I will put about c. About u, that is about sine x. This is the end. Thank you for watching.